Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to AppSec's online support program. This is our third week of online learning and it is the time for English literature lesson of 8th class. In our previous lecture we discussed first chapter of novel Moby Dick. Let's take a quick recap. In the first chapter, two main characters have been introduced, Ishmael and Queequeg. Ishmael had to spend a night at an inn as he missed the ferry which was going to Nantucket. He met Queequeg, who made him frightened firstly, but both of them became good friends very soon. So students, this was a short summary of first chapter. In this video, we will focus on second chapter of the novel, and at the end of the lesson, students will be able to read the text with correct pronunciation and they will be able to comprehend the text and solve the exercises at the end. I am sharing pictures of second chapter. I hope all of you have got the books, but if someone hasn't, these pictures can be useful. So you will read the text or you can listen to the audio track. After this activity, you will read this summary. So Queequeg and Ishmael reached Nantucket and rented a room at an inn named the Tripods. Both discussed their next plan and Queequeg insisted Ishmael to select a whaling ship on which they were to travel. Ishmael was reluctant in the beginning, but then he chose Pequod for the journey. Ishmael met the owners of the ship. They tried to stop Ishmael, but he was determined to join the crew of Pequod. The next day, Queequeg and Ishmael signed the relevant papers and on their way back ran into a strange man who warned them from traveling on Pequod. So students, this was a very short summary of the second chapter. You have to keep in mind all the details and all the events. Now I am going to give you some important points of the second chapter. You have to remember all these points. First is name of the inn. So you have to remember what was the name of the inn in which Ishmael and Queequeg rented a room. Then who is Yojo and what is his significance in the story. Then name of the ships which were checked by Ishmael and which ship was selected by Ishmael. You have to keep in mind. Then name of the owners of Pequod. Then personality of Ahab, how the owners describe the personality of Captain Ahab. Importance of instinct. Now this is very important. Do you believe on instincts, or you can say your gut feeling, and do you make decision believing or trusting your gut feeling or your instinct? Then last is obsession of Captain Ahab. What do you think, why Ahab was obsessed, or do you think obsession is a good thing or not? So these are some important points. Then here is the important vocabulary from the second chapter. You have to search the meanings of these words. And the words are hearty, harbor, tiller, negotiate, mysterious, endure, obsessed, streaks, anchor, and faded. So students, after reading the text or after listening to the audio track, you will focus on characterization of Ishmael, Ahab and Queequeg. You will focus on correct pronunciation and vocabulary. And you will solve the exercises 1, 2, 3 and 4 on page 70 and 71. That's all for today. Thank you so much.